Welcome to Circuit Care. Today we have HP EliteBook 820G3. As you can see, HP EliteBook 820G3. So the problem with this one, pressing the power button, as you can see, the keyboard light comes on and off, no picture on the screen. So that's the problem with this system. All right. So I don't know what will be wrong with this system. It comes up, just show power light and turn off. I think not. It's not even up to a second. So let's see if we can fix this. So if you're coming across my video for the first time, do well to like, subscribe, and give your comment on the comment section. Alright, so firstly, let's take out this battery. Well, what do you think? Could it be a static? Because what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing corrosion here, liquid damage. As you can see on this part of this board here, where you have the power switch, there's some corrosion there. You can see some rust in there. You can see. So this might be due to liquid damage. You understand? But before then, let's power it on from the charger. Plug-in charger. You can see the same is on. Can you hear that sound? So the same is telling us that the RAM memory either is no longer responding with the system. Maybe something else might be the problem. So firstly, let's take out the RAM memory, change the position. Let's change the slots. Okay. You have to brush a little. If you can check, so we have some liquid damage. You see, on that RAM slot we have some liquid damage. So let's switch to the other DIMM connector. Same story. So at this point, I will need another RAM. Let's see. Let's find another RAM. All right. So coming with a different RAM memory, and this is trusted. Okay. All right, so we have picture. So this system is working very okay, even with the liquid damage. As you can see, even with the liquid damage, the system is working fine. So if we're to be on my position right now, what will you do? Will you service it, maybe like clean up the liquid damage, or you just go ahead to replace the RAM memory? So I'm going to end this video here. Tell me on your comment section what you should do if you were to be the person attending to the system. Will you leave it the way it is now? Will you leave it the way it is with the liquid damage, or you attend to it? So if you attend to it, let me know in the comment section, okay? So I'll end the recording here, okay? So we now understand that only the RAM memory replacement was able to solve this problem. Okay. So subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.